Hello from the Dome Beach, a wonderful beach in Cyprus, more specifically in Ayia Napa. And the beach is overlooking not just the Ayia Napa Marina complex and the port, but also on the other side it overlooks the ancient tombs of Makronissos. And when this smaller beach ends, it starts another beach called Makronissos, same as the ancient site. That's quite a long beach and a bit better than this one. So it is 3:50 p.m. on this 23rd of December, and I'm exploring yet another beach today here in Cyprus. So it's around 20 degrees Celsius, but it's gonna get a few degrees colder later when it gets dark. The water, it's 20 degrees Celsius as well. So yeah, it's time for yet another beach adventure, this time with a glimpse of the sunset that is approaching very soon. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So amazing. And there is practically nobody on the beach. So I have the whole beach just for myself. Yep, this is how the beaches look like in December in Cyprus. Pretty empty without any tourists, so quite nice if you ask me. You can find your own inner peace. And now the sun is back also, that's amazing. Look at that. It is not the first time for me at this beach. I visited the same beach this summer on 31st of August to be more exact. So here there is sand at the entrance, but after that it overgoes to rocks. So it's a bit of mix of rocks, huge actually, a larger formation of rocks connected with sand, which is not the case for Makronissos beach on the other side. But it's also good. It's also good to change a bit. So yes, this is one of the many beaches that there are in Ayia Napa. And this is definitely not the best, as there are a few more that are much more beautiful. For example, Nisi Beach, Agia Thekla that I visited earlier today. Also Makronissos Beach is very nice. And Glikine, it's also very good, especially for snorkeling, to explore secret sea caves and its treasures. Okay, the sun is on its way down, so it's time for us to take another swim in the sea. Let's go! Beautiful. Huh. Beautiful Cyprus in December. Whew. That's nice. All right, that's a wrap before I explore the ancient tombs of Makronissos right over there. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.